Thank you for joining me in this video covering the Windows File Explorer. It is assumed that you have already watched video 7, Project Setup and Organization, and that you understand the importance of the various settings and troubleshooting tips. If not, please reference that video, as this video is meant to serve as a reminder for those who quickly need to set up their tablet but already have the background understanding of the information. Now let's cover the use of Windows File Explorer. Please turn on your tablet and allow the icon software to load. It is not necessary to turn on your total station with this video. It is assumed that you have already created the project and jobs for your information to be imported to. If not, please reference the 8th video, Project tab, and the 9th video, Job tabs for further instructions. Once the icon software has finished loading, click the Windows Start button found at the bottom middle border of your tablet. On the 7-inch tablet, click the File folder symbol, and on the 10-inch tablet, within the Start menu, search for and click on the Windows File Explorer. If the data folder is not already pinned to your Quick Access panel, navigate to it at the following address: C, Users, Public, Documents, Leica Geosystems, Icon, and finally, Data. Once there, click and drag it over to the Quick Access panel and release it between two other folders that are already there. From within the data folder, create a folder with the name of your project. Enter your project folder and copy the information that you've received from the office here. Close the Windows File Explorer to be returned to the icon software. This concludes the video covering the Windows File Explorer. Please proceed to the following video covering the Import tab.